This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the airline permits on board Wi-Fi. Once done, flip your device into flight mode to meet safety rules. Next, turn Wi-Fi back on while flight mode remains active. This restores data radios safely for permitted networks. Scan for the aircraft SSID, then select the network name that matches the crew's announcement. Make sure you have a payment method ready or a promo code. Once connected, you'll proceed to the captive portal to authenticate and buy access. After selecting the aircraft network, open your browser to trigger the captive portal. You'll need to accept terms and choose a plan or a free session. Once authenticated, consider starting a VPN for secure browsing. Connect the VPN only after the portal lets you out to the internet. Make sure apps aren't auto-updating or syncing large files, because bandwidth is limited. Adjust settings to cellular or Wi-Fi pause modes. This conserves data and keeps your session responsive. When you're done, log out of the portal or simply close your browser tab and save any payment receipt. Then turn Wi-Fi off to save battery and keep flight mode enabled until instructed otherwise. Disable flight mode only after landing or crew permission. If your connection drops, try toggling Wi-Fi once and rejoining the aircraft SSID, then reopen the portal. If that fails, restart the browser or device. One key tip: clear portal cookies or use an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.